Dear students, after discovery of protons and electrons, now the question arose as how protons and electrons were arranged in an atom. It was J.J. Thomson in 1900 who first proposed a model for arrangement of positively and negatively charged particles in atom. He was the first to explain the structure of an atom, and his model compared atom to Christmas pudding, in which the positive charge is spread throughout like the Christmas pudding, and electrons are embedded at different places like plum, a fruit in the pudding. According to this model, an atom is a uniform positively charged sphere in which electrons are embedded just like dry fruits in a spherical pudding. Therefore, his model is known as plum pudding model. It can also be explained through watermelon, where the red fleshy portion of the melon can be compared to positively charged sphere of the atom, whereas black seed embedded at different places can be compared to electrons in the atom. Since the positive charge of the atom was equal to the total negative charge of its electron, it follows that an atom would become negatively charged if it gains electron and positively charged if it loses electron. He said that positive charge of the atom holds the negative charged electrons. And in this way, atom is electrically neutral. But, however, this model failed to explain many experimental observations about atom, and hence Thomson's model was not accepted. Later in 1911, Lord Rutherford, a scientist from New Zealand, conducted an experiment. His experiment is very famous as gold foil experiment. Through his experiment, he discovered the presence of a dense, positively charged sphere, very small place in the center of the atom. He called it to be nucleus. So Lord Rutherford gave the next model of the atom and is also given credit for discovery of nucleus. According to his model, an atom has two main properties. First, centrally located nucleus consisting of positive charge and mass of the atom, and second, outer circular orbits in which electrons are revolving. The details of Rutherford's model and especially his experiment, gold foil experiment, by which he discovered the presence of nucleus in the atom, will be discussed in the next video.